Welcome to the first instalment of a new mini-series covering our A037M mini engine data monitor and N2K converter. Today we'll be covering how to connect the A037M to your Android device via Bluetooth and also how to hook up a resistive input and convert this data to NMEA 2000. When connecting or disconnecting any inputs to the A037M, you must ensure that the power is switched off and the N2K cable is unplugged. You must also ensure that any unused input wires are connected to spare terminal blocks or shielded. In this video, we will be connecting a fuel level sender to the A037M so we can see our fuel level on our IS10 NMEA 2000 display. The converted data will be available to all NMEA 2000 MFDs and track plotters on the same network. In this video, I will show you how to calibrate the sensors. However, if your fuel level sender is the European standard or American standard, you can ignore the calibration steps and choose the preset option. As you can see here, I have chosen the green wire, which is resistive 1, and will connect this to the signal wire in the black ground with the ground from the sender. Next, we can connect the N2K drop cable and enable power. A green LED indicator will be solidly lit when powered on. You can then go to our Android tablet and we'll launch the app. This can be found online. Upon launching the app, tap Start Scanning. When the A037M appears, tap Connect and then Config. We then need to head to Input Pinout Settings, where we can configure each input. We can select the relevant input from the drop-down list, in this case resistive 1 in brackets green. You can choose from a range of different resistive inputs. Here, we will leave it on fuel level. It will also provide presets for a range of commonly found sensors. Once all selected, the data output sets will appear. We can then double check the sensor is operating correctly. As you can see here, I have the sensor at the top position and I can click measure to read the resistance. This is good practice to ensure that the values match the data set, ensuring accurate information. When done, click save. Now, we need to go back a page and enter N2K output settings. This is where the relevant input can be linked to the output PGN. As we're doing fuel level, we will use PGN 127505 fluid level. You can then amend the instance, capacity, type, and which input it will use. Enter the details accordingly, ensure to select the correct pinout as we have done in the previous page. Finally, click Enable PGN and click Save. You can now see on our IS10 that the fuel level is showing and is responsive to my movement of the fuel sender. For more details on how to configure the A037M, please refer to the manual. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.